What's up, my makeup slayers? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve. In this video, are you ready for it? We are doing an unboxing. This is going to be the Fabfitfun winter box. I'm going to go ahead and hold this bad boy up. You can see how pretty the box is. It is so big, it's blocking my head, and I have a big head. Now, before I jump in, I'm going to go over a few things. I am not sponsored. I just want you to have all the details. It's going to be $50 per box. You get to customize 3 items in the box if you choose to have that one. That's the one I had for the longest time, for many, many years. This is why I switched. If you get the annual membership, it's going to be $180. That breaks down to $45 per box. But this is why I subscribe, not to save the $5. It is that you get to customize every single item in the box. That was worth it to me. I like having full control of my box. No surprises. I know what I'm getting. The other good thing is you have early access to their sales, which is a good thing as well. I want to touch on one more thing. I want to say hello to all my new followers. Welcome to my channel. I'm so honored to have you a part of this little thing. All those people that have not subscribed, what are you doing? You're hurting my feelings. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you be notified. Now, as I go through the items, I'm going to tell you how much it costs, and at the end I'm going to tell you the total value of the box. I tried a few of the products, so I have a good idea how they work. I used a couple of them 1 or 2 times. Okay, the first thing I absolutely loved. I got this in one of my other boxes. So excited. My dog loved it so much, she stole it from me. That's the one that you see at the end of the video that says buy in every single one. That's her favorite part. She loves to say buy. This is the Unhide Blanket. This is so soft, so wonderful. So when I saw that I can get this included in the box, because it is pricey, but it's so worth it. So I'm so glad I got this blanket, because hopefully this one I can keep, because she has hers. I'm telling you, she does not go to sleep at the end of the night unless that blanket is in her bed. She's a bit spoiled, don't you say? If you have never felt this blanket, it is absolutely amazing. Now, this blanket is going to be $65 value. And I finally got all the wrapping off of it. And show you the size of it. It is humongous. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have this on my lap, get all cozy. Like I said, 60 bucks. I forgot to mention you do get this in here. You can have a good little read. The second thing that I chose is going to be the mugs. I saw it in a past box option. It didn't interest me at the time, but now that it's going to be the holidays, some cocoa, I'm drinking hot coffee a little bit more, so I decided to choose these mugs. It's the Lily Pulitzer mugs, and when I saw other people unbox them, I thought they were gorgeous. And these mugs are going to be $42 for 2 of them. I'm gonna let you look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Has her signature inside the mug. I don't know if you can catch that or not. And then it has her signature on the bottom. These are really good sizes. So this is going to hold my hot coffee. My son can use it if he wants hot cocoa during Christmas. I think this is absolutely wonderful. So $42 for the both of those. Where I grabbed the third product. Now we're getting into products that I have tried and tested. This box came in last night, so I tried all the next products. The third product is going to be the Dr. Brandt, and this is the Collagen Serum. So I'll let you take a look at that. I tried this in my night routine. I really liked it. It went well. Then I tried it in my morning routine. I want to see how it did underneath makeup. It went wonderful. There was no pilling. There was no issues with my makeup laying on top of it. So this is very nice. Don't believe the hype that what everybody tries to tell you about collagen. All that I know that it's good for, the research I have done, is that it moisturizes your skin. So that's what you should get out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the texture of it. It's not really for me. It's a thicker cream texture. I like a more watery one when it comes to getting my moisture. The one that I really like that I've been trying is by Huda Beauty, and it's the Thirst Trap. It is absolutely amazing. It has done wonders in my moisture level in my skin, so I would not shell out the $60 that this costs. I think the Thirst Trap is 50 bucks if I'm not mistaken, and that one I think is more worth it than this one. So the next item is going to be one of my favorite brands. This is the Brio Geo, and this is the Scalp Renewal. Let you take a look, and this is a hair oil. So this goes, not really a hair oil, you can add it to the base of your hairs right over here, but you really want to keep it close to your scalp. So what I did is I used it when I came out of the shower, after I shampooed, conditioned, I put this on, and then from here down, I put my regular oils on. It was fine when I first applied it. It was fine later on that night. It wasn't until the next day my scalp felt a little itchy. I didn't like the feeling, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep testing this out because I want to see if I mix it in with a hair oil, if it will work better for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the color of it. I love their scrub for the scalp. I use that all the time, but will not be without it. I've already ordered the big jumbo size of it. It's amazing. Their shampoo and conditioner, I tried. It was the Don't Despair Care hairline. I like that a lot. They have a lot of winners, so that's why I'm going to test this again. It's not a very pretty color, so it's nice and minty, just like the scalp rub that I use. So that's why it felt really refreshing when I first put it on. It smells so nice, and what I like is when you have a headache, that scalp rub that I use, absolutely wonderful. So this one is going to be $32. So I will let you know if you see it in my empties sooner, then you can see that I didn't like it. I stopped using it because if the itch continues, I'm not going to put my scalp through that. If you see it empty, I'll let you know if I liked it, and I will let you know in the empty, so you can stay tuned on for those videos. Now the fifth product is going to be the Grown Alchemist, and this is a body cream. So I have that upside down, that helps. And I love this a lot. This has a very sweet smell to it. It has a sweet citrus smell, and what's in it is mandarin and rosemary leaf. I didn't smell the rosemary, but I could smell the mandarin. It was a very nice, sweet, pleasant smell. It wasn't too overpowering. It hydrated my skin. I would not spend the $26 on it. I have other moisturizers you can check in my empties all the time. I have them in there, and it's a lot cheaper what I use than this. But being able to have this in my box and not having to pay for it, absolutely a winner in my book. The next one is going to be the sixth item. It's the KVD, and this is Go Big or Go Home, and this is a volumizing mascara. So I'll go ahead and show you that. The packaging is so pretty on this. I have this on right now on my lashes. Looks so pretty. I did not get to do a wear test on this, so I'm not sure how this will do in the hot Florida weather. I'm gonna go ahead and show the wand to you. So this is the type of wand I usually like, and the outer packaging I absolutely love. It's going to be black packaging, and then it has raised black glossy letters. Absolutely love this. So far so good, but I will let you know in the description how this works out in the Florida sun. And that one is $24. This I have on my lips right now. It is the Bite Beauty, and this is the Power Move, and it's a soft matte lipstick, and it's enriched with cocoa butter. This retails for $28. The shade I got is called Sugar Buns, and absolutely love this. It feels really nice. It's very light. It has a satin feel to it, so it's really smooth on the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply, add a little more so you can see. Absolutely wonderful. I will definitely pay the $28 for this, because something that keeps my lips hydrated and has that matte look, they're speaking my language on that. So with all 7 items, the box is going to be $277. That is so worth it for me. So spending $45 or $50 on the box, I got my money's worth. They did throw a few items in here. This free item is a liquid IV, and it says meet our multipliers. So this is a little kind of like a more expensive Gatorade, and it was 3 packets. You get strawberry, lemon ginger, and tangerine. I'm looking forward to this. Hopefully this has a lot less sugar than Gatorade. I'm hoping that's why that's such a higher price tag than Gatorade. So look forward to trying that. I think that's an awesome free gift. The other one is going to be something I absolutely love. If you have a chance to pick this up, get it. This is the Lumify. I'm a longtime lover of this. My husband uses this. It's like bleach for your eye. It whitens it. If you have allergies like I do, or anything kind of redness in your eyes, this knocks it out. It's like bleach for your eyes. I will not be without this, and they threw this as a free gift as you bought something during their sales. So this was just thrown in my box for free, and I didn't have to pay for this, and this is pretty pricey as well. So I absolutely love my box. Highly recommend the winter box. Sometimes I'm not 100% happy with the items, even though that I get to choose them. Sometimes the choices are kind of shitty. This time, absolutely loved it. Now, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, come on, what are you doing? I make great content. You know that there's no perfection here. I'm just a real ass person coming to you. I'm here for you. So if you have any recommendations on videos you want to see, or if there's a product you're on the fence about, you want me to test it out for you, I'm up for it. Bring it on. Now let's bring our co-star, Sugar Bear, come here. You gonna jump? Come on. You gonna jump? We gotta say bye to all our friends. Look, Mommy got a new blanket. I get my blanket back. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.